What if you could game like a pro and work like a boss, all on the same laptop? Reddit has been buzzing about gaming laptops that crush both gaming and productivity, and I checked out the most recommended ones across multiple subreddits. These aren't just any laptops. Think 40 series RTX graphics, latest processors, and screens that make both your games and spreadsheets look incredible. In 2025, you don't have to choose between work and play anymore. Whether you're running Cyberpunk at max settings or juggling 20 Excel tabs, these machines handle it all. Let's look at what the Reddit community swears by, and why these laptops might be exactly what you need. Hey, what if I told you this laptop predict your next move in game before you make it? That's what Acer promises with their new Predator Helios 16S AI. And I've been testing it for the past few weeks. Let's talk about what makes this machine special in 2025. The first thing you'll notice is this gorgeous 16-inch-old display. It's not just any screen, it's running at 240 Hz with colors that pop like crazy. Whether you're editing photos in Photoshop or playing Cyberpunk 2077, everything looks incredible. The Intel Core Ultra 9 processor inside is doing some heavy lifting, and paired with the RTX 5070 Ti, you're looking at some serious gaming performance. I've been running everything at max settings, and this thing doesn't even break a sweat. What's really cool is how this laptop handles everyday tasks. The AI features aren't just marketing talk, they actually help with battery life and performance. I'm getting around 80 hours of regular use, which is pretty impressive for a gaming laptop. The keyboard has this nice tactile feel with per-key RGB lighting, and the trackpad is huge, like MacBook huge. For $3,499 USD, you're getting a lot of power in a surprisingly portable package. The cooling system is really clever too. It's got these vents that adjust based on what you're doing. When you're just working in Microsoft Office, it's whisper quiet, but fire up a game and it kicks into high gear without sounding like a jet engine. This is definitely one of the most well-rounded gaming laptops I've seen so far in 2025. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you took the raw power of a desktop gaming PC and somehow crammed it into a laptop? Well, that's exactly what the Asus ROG Strix G14 does. This thing is an absolute beast with its Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 275X, packing 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores. But what really caught my attention is the new RTX 5090 laptop graphics card pushing 175 watts of power. That's desktop level performance right there. I've been running Cyberpunk 2077 at max settings with ray tracing on, and this laptop doesn't even flinch. The 18-inch mini LED display running at 240 Hz makes everything look incredibly smooth, and the colors are just ridiculous. When you're working in Excel or Word, text looks super crisp. And when you switch to gaming, the high refresh rate makes everything butter smooth. What's really impressive is how this laptop handles everyday use. The keyboard has this satisfying click that makes typing emails feel great, and the massive touchpad is super responsive. The cooling system is pretty clever too. It's got these hidden exhaust vents that keep things cool without making the laptop look like some weird spaceship. I've been using this as my main computer for the past few weeks, and even with all this power, the battery life is surprisingly good. I'm getting around 6 hours of regular office work, which is pretty decent for a gaming laptop this powerful. At $4,999 USD, it's definitely not cheap, but you're getting basically a portable workstation that can handle anything you throw at it. From heavy Excel spreadsheets to the latest AAA games, the MUX switch with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus is really smart too, automatically switching between integrated and dedicated graphics to save battery when you don't need all that power. Remember when gaming laptops were these massive bricks you had to lug around? The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2025 completely changes that story. This 14-inch powerhouse weighs just 3.3 pounds, but don't let its size fool you. With the new RTX 5080 and AMD's latest neural processor, this thing is seriously quick. I've been testing it for video editing in Premiere Pro and playing Starfield, and it handles both like a champ. The screen is this gorgeous 240 Hz old panel that makes everything from Netflix to gaming look incredible. What really stands out is how the AMD neural processor works with the graphics card. You're getting desktop-level performance, but in something that actually fits in a regular backpack. But here's where it gets interesting for everyday use. The battery life is mind-blowing for a gaming laptop, pushing almost 10 hours of regular work in Microsoft Office. The keyboard feels great for typing, with just the right amount of travel, and the trackpad is super responsive. With 32 gigs of memory and 2 terabytes of storage, you won't run out of space anytime soon. For $3,999 USD, you're getting something that works just as well for school or office work as it does for serious gaming. The cooling is smart too, using these liquid metal compounds that keep everything running cool without sounding like a vacuum cleaner. It's pretty impressive how Asus managed to pack this much power into something this portable while keeping the noise levels down.